Hello and welcome to my art spa. My name is Anna and today I'm not going to have any tutorials. I'm just going to give you some ideas of how to take your paint out of the journal, out of the paper and bring it to the wall. Yes, why not? I decided to do just like a journal page. And one thing to keep in mind is not as easy to blend paint in the wall as it is on a paper. So, and yeah, I did the toucan with a stencil and the flowers. I have a neighbor who's a very good artist. He said he would just draw for me and we use a charcoal. And then I came with the fine brush and black paint and yeah, covered the lines and the palm trees. And I just mask off that white line just to give us some, something different. But yeah, that's the front of the property. If we go, as you will see, I have a lot of walls to cover. This one is too big of a project, so, and it's way too hot right now to be outside painting. So I just created a quick vintage looking TV, and it's actually the area that I can project movies at night. I found some used tires, so I needed some pots for my flowers, some plants. So I created those donuts. And the sprinkles on the top, I use Posca pens. But I just use regular wall paint, outdoor wall paint. Just need a plant for this one. And again, sprinkles with Posca pens. Just I did the smiley faces in there, just to look cute. So now you know I don't have a tutorial this week because I was busy doing art, but not on paper. So I didn't want to record that because it's not what my channel is about, but I'm going to show you anyway. These are my banana trees. I have little monkeys that hang out here, but they're not around today, so there. This, I'm really pleased the way it turned out. Basically, I just put some splash of colors on the background. And again, we came with the stencil for the leaves, the long one there. And and the other's my friend again. Did the drawing with the charcoal. Not charcoal. Yeah, charcoal. Anyway, yeah, this is it. And I just wanted to stop by to wish everybody a wonderful holiday season. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. And I will see you again next weekend. I hope I inspire you to create something beautiful. Thank you so much for watching and have a nice day. Bye.